Hello students, in this video we will talk about the important thing, that is question tags, which is very useful in conversation and short answers. We know that question tags are those small statements where we give the answer in very short manner. It is very helpful in conversation. For example, isn't, don't you, like that we have they give the answers to the questions. One thing must be remembered, that always positive statements give the negative answer, and in negative there is a positive mark. Look into this slide. For example, here a study first sentence. Father, this is coffee, isn't it? This isn't it is the question tag. Mother, yes it is. The other one is tea. You don't need tea, do you? Question mark. Father, no I don't. Sheila will have tea, won't she? Second number, manager, I always go by air, don't I? Assistant, yes sir. Then manager replies, then why have you booked me on train? Third sentence, boy, you saw your mother this morning, didn't you? Girl replies, no I didn't. All the underlined questions are called question tags. Isn't, do you, won't she, don't I, didn't you? These are question tags. They are all short questions tagged to the statements. Question tags are common in dialogues and conversations. Following are the rules for the use of tags. These are the rules we have to follow. These rules when we use this question tags. First one, affirmative statements are followed by negative tags. When statement is positive, then the question tag is negative. Look this example. This is coffee, isn't it? This is coffee is positive statement, then we mark it with isn't it, negative question tag. When negative statements are followed by affirmative sentence, when there is a negative sentence like this, you don't need tea, do you? Here we give the this question tag in the positive mark. Third one, helping verbs are repeated in the tags. Sheila will have tea. Helping verb is here will, so we repeat it, won't she? So these are the three rules. Means when sentence is positive, we use negative question tag. When sentence or statement is negative, we use positive question tags. And when there is helping word in the sentence or helping verb in the statements, we use that helping verb in the negative way. When that is positive, or when there is positive, so we use negative helping verb in the sentence. And the last fourth one rule is, when there are no helping verbs in the sentence, tag questions have do, does or did. In the past tense we use did and do and does. I always go by air, don't I? Here sentence is having no helping verb, so we put do, don't I, because sentence is positive. You saw your mother, positive sentence, so here we use did. So you saw your mother, didn't you? Note, the subject of the question tag is always a pronoun. We always use pronoun in the subject of question tag. Now one exercise there, complete the table, full form and the short form. Is it not? Isn't it? Are you not? Aren't you? Can you not? Can't you? Do you not? Don't you? Will you not? Won't you? यहाँ this one is silent I. I shall not, so silent I. He shouldn't he should not, so short form is shouldn't he. Now some exercises are here. Add question tags. The first one, the dog is barking, is a positive sentence, so what is the question tag here? The dog is barking, isn't it? Negative question tag. She learned dancing, past tense, wasn't she. The Johnsons are vacating the house, aren't they? The doorbell rang, past tense, didn't it? Anger is a useful emotion, isn't it? Work is worship, isn't it? Discipline begins at home, doesn't it? So these are the question tags we add with these statements. By following the rules, means positive sentence, then we use negative question tag, and the negative sentence, then we use positive question tag. Study few more examples when the sentence starts with helping verb. Look the first one. Are you going by car? We can give the answer in positive or negative, yes or no. When we say yes, I am, this is question tag. And the second one, no, I am not. Can you swim? Answer positive or negative, yes I can, no I can't. Is your daughter at home? Yes she is, no she isn't. Fourth one, did you do your homework? Yes I did, no I didn't. So we can reply with the help of here, with the help of helping verbs. The usual form of short answers is like that: yes, then pronoun, then auxiliaries. No, pronoun, auxiliaries, and not. These are the short answers. In previous we saw the question tags, and this one is the examples of short answers. Hope you understand and do the activities in the coming days when these exercises come in your grammar book. Thank you.